Today I will not. Today I will not wear a national hat. I will speak as one of the leaders from the Rift Valley, just like Susan Kiika here, among others who are here. We know that, and we've said this for a long time now, for almost from the part of last year to this year, that there is a plan for a state-instigated violence, and the stage is Rift Valley. And the acts are intended for political reasons. This is simple, and I like to speak in a very simple way. The Aslan narrative has united all Kenyans who believe that every hustle matters and that we should speak matters economy regardless of our community and tribes. The candidature of one William Ruto has been accepted across the country. The players of Uhuru succession who are deep inside the government urged plans like you read in our statement, starting from corruption, instigated charges, removal of leaders. Now the last card they have, because they have realized BBI doesn't work. The last card they have is to instigate violence in the Rift, so that communities, because Rift Valley is one of the regions that has every community in the country. And so that then if there is violence in Rift Valley, blame it on William Ruto. Then once you blame on William Ruto, you go to what they already announced, that he will not be in the ballot box. So the objective here is political, like in our statement says, it's a political sport. But unfortunately, political sport using human lives. Using human lives. President Uhuru Kenyatta, accompanied by most of us here, visited the ICC with the Deputy President. And what did they tell ICC? That we started reconciliation process in 2012. We have sorted all IDPs, they are settled. Everybody has gone back to their land. They told the world that as a result of their coming together, now Kenya is a peaceful nation. The President came to Parliament and announced that there was a 10 billion that has been put in place to ensure that all the TJRC-related issues are settled. Now, we want to know the truth. Did President Uhuru Kenyatta lie to ICC? Did President Uhuru Kenyatta lie to Parliament by saying that those issues have been sorted? Do we believe the older President Uhuru Kenyatta or the current one that is supporting a DCI who is reopening a chapter that has been closed? So these are the questions we are asking ourselves. We are saying the real President Uhuru Kenyatta should come out. Yeah. Are you the one who told the ICC you've sorted these issues, or you are the one now who is reopening these issues? And even then, we have agreed as leaders kutoka Rift Valley. Ata liwe liwalo. Juu chini. Siasa yende nyuma ama mbele. Jubilee ikue isikue. Tumeamua ya kwamba hakuna tena mwananchi atamwaka damu kwa sababu ya siasa. That is our resolve. It will not change. Kinoti and his shenanigans, I hear he was issuing another statement today trying to apologize. I'm sure he has realized that what he was doing has backfired. Yeah. We want to tell him we don't want that letter he has written today. Let him go straight to a press and apologize to the people of Kenya for pretending to be reopening a process that the president himself announced that it had been solved. Or if that is not the case, he should be relieved of his duties. We get a DCI who is independent, who can be able to carry out the responsibilities of DCIs in a manner that is befitting a public office. Hiyo tu ndio tulikuja kusema hapa, lakini wacha niwaambie, wafanye nini, wasifanye nini. Wa Kalenjin, wa Kikuyu, wa Kisii, wa Jaluo, wa Luya, wa Somali, wa Turkana, wa Masai, wote wenye wanaishi Rift Valley, hakuna siku tutapigana tena. There is no time we will fight again. And we leaders who are here, like our statement is stating, while they are going for revenge and reopening those files, those of us who are here believe in peace and reconciliation. And if given a chance to continue leading our people beyond 2022, we will only focus on peace and reconciliation. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.